Okay, wonderful. So we're going to now summarise respiration so far. The key thing, and when going round checking your answer, the majority of the reason why you got the answer wrong was because you were not answering it per glucose, which I will explain in a second what I mean by that. So, to start off with then, we have glycolysis. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm. In the very first stage of glycolysis, we use 2 ATPs. We produce 4, so there's a net gain of 2. NADH produced, there are 2. There are no FADHs produced. And there are no carbon dioxides produced. Okay? That one most of you got correct. Then we have our link reaction. The link reaction, don't just write the word mitochondria. You had to include the word mitochondrial matrix. Usually, yes. However, I have said the word usually because sometimes, so I would just write mitochondrial matrix. It's better to be safe than sorry. So, is any ATP used? No. Is any ATP produced? No. Is any NADH produced? Yes. You have 1 per pyruvate, but of course there are 2 pyruvates, so there are 2. So that's what I mean by per glucose. Remember, the end of the glycolysis, you've got 2 pyruvates. So then, are there any FADHs produced? No. Are there any carbon dioxides produced? Yes, there's 1 per pyruvate, because it goes from pyruvate, which is a 3 carbon, to acetate, which is a 2 carbon, but it happens twice, so there are 2. Then we have the Krebs cycle, which is also occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. That produces ATP, yes, it produces 1 per turn of the Krebs cycle. But there are 2 acetyl CoAs per glucose. So there are 2 of them. So it's, oh, you bleeder. Yeah. I didn't swear at least. So I put that in the wrong column because that column says ATP used. I know. So no ATPs are used, but 1 times 2 are produced. So that's 2. How many NADHs are produced? Well, we produce 3 per Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle happens twice per glucose, so there are 6. You produce 1 FADH, but that happens twice, so there are 2. And carbon dioxide produced, there are 2 of them, but it also happens twice, so there are 4 in total. We're then going to write ETC, which we're going to come back to maybe the end of today's lesson, although I've waffled enough that maybe not. And the bottom row should be total. So obviously we don't have a total for location. ATP used, there are 2. ATP produced, I'm going to come back to. Okay? NADH produced is 2 plus 2 plus 6, which is 10. That is very important that we remember that. FADH produced is 2. Carbon dioxide produced is 6. If we think back to our GCSE respiration days, 6O2 plus C6H12O6 goes to 6 carbon dioxide. Magic. Okay? And then 6 waters, which we'll look at the 6 waters, hopefully, today. So we will aim to fill in this row today, or certainly at the very beginning of next lesson.